Firstly, I extend a very warm welcome to you all for joining us today evening. We have manufacturer representatives with us from Seacom and Ligman. Seacom Middle East Project Manager Mr. Jesus Srivas and their export manager Mr. Abdul Alhani, Global Technical Director of Ligman Mr. Trevor Layton, and their export manager Mr. Karthikeyan, my dear brother and our group director Mr. Radhakrishnan Kalail. We have many invited dignitaries from various sectors. We have important personalities from ministries. We have important personalities from consultants, from contractors. It is a difficult task for me to take their names. Important personalities, project managers, general managers, CEOs, resident engineers, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good evening to you all. Friends, most of us know each other very well. I believe the time is very precious. We will precisely begin into a brief presentation of Ahmad journey. Ahmad Group has successfully completed 21 years of incredible journey in this region, in the region of Gulf, Bahrain and Saudi Arabia. Friends, indeed it's a long journey, wherein the management and the team of Ahmad made many milestones and achieved and gradually earned their incredible success. Friends, we are a well-established and a reputed international group specialized in the supply of electrical materials, electromechanical and lighting products, telecommunication and instrumentation products since 1998 in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The company embarked, as a part of expansion, started its operation in Kingdom of Bahrain in 2001 by setting up a new venture called Ahmad Baid Electrical WLL. It has proven to be one of the leading and flourishing establishments in the region. Friends, all of you present here, you are aware about that Ahmad Baid Electrical WLL is very well-known name in Bahrain. And we have few guests here from Saudi Arabia, and we are very well-known there as well. This company retains professionally managed group with technically qualified and committed sales team to cater the needs of diverse clientele. It has a sales and service team having wide experience in the international marketing services and we have successfully catered to many multinational companies, various multinational companies on their various prestigious projects. Friends, the team has garnered goodwill with their acclaimed professionalism and excellent services. Now, let me play the next slide. Before going to the next slide, let me talk about our stocking facility. We have 11,000 meters square area stocking facility in Saudi Arabia, and we have 8 huge warehouses. And in Bahrain, we have 7 warehouses with a stocking facility of 4,500 meter square. Now, let me talk about the divisions. I have already told you the company has grown and still growing. With this indispensable growth, the company has augmented and ventured into separate divisions to extend more proper, prompt professional services to our clients. We have made divisions such as Power and Distribution Division, Cable Management Division, Cable Division, Oil and Gas Division, Lighting Division, Earthing and Lightning Protection Division. Friends, each division is headed by a qualified engineer who is an expert in that area. Our Power and Distribution Division is headed by Mr. Vasudevan. Cable Management Division is headed by Suman. Cable Division is headed by J.K. Jagakrishnan. Oil and Gas Jirin. Earthing and Lightning Protection Rohan. Lighting Division Mr. Surendran. And our marketing head is Mr. Sajeev Nair, who took initiation to organize this seminar. And our technical director is Mr. Nityanand, who gave time to time technical support for our any issue. Similarly, we have key persons in Saudi Arabia also, but today's session is not about Saudi Arabia, so I am not going to read out their names. Exclusive agents. Friends, nowadays, any of the reputed manufacturers are not giving exclusive agency. None of the reputed manufacturers are not giving exclusivity. But we are still getting exclusivity from reputed manufacturers. Last 3 months back, we have signed an exclusivity agreement with A.N. Wallis, UK. Friends, the main strength of Ahmad Group, we are in solidarity with leading manufacturers based in USA, UK, Europe, Japan, and other Asian countries. What I am trying to tell you, we are dealing with the companies which are extremely popular and immensely trusted for their high quality standards, for their delivery precision, for their competitive prices. Friends, we believe these are the 3 factors enabled us to mark our credibility in the market. And of course, with these 3 factors, one has to provide, one has to extend proper technical assistance, and we are doing that as well. Now, let me play our exclusive agents. When you read out the name, definitely you will understand our credibility. Marshetta Flex UK, Obo Betterman Germany, Scame Italy, A.N. Wallis UK, Pepper UK, Ellis UK, Indo-Asian is a Legrand Group company, Translate Malaysia, Dorman Smith, COT, TBA, Top Cable, Fibox, Earths, Green Power for Generators, Technowire, Nepro, Davis, GRP Enclosures, Novaven. Now let me talk about our authorized distributors. We are the authorized distributors of Emirates Transformers, Riyadh Cable, Catco, Abbas & Corp, Omnitray, AA Cables, CMP, UK, SWE, TCAP, Siemens, Lucy, Adapter Flex, Wade Muller, Axis, X, SSP. Now, as for lighting, also we do have exclusive agencies. G Lighting, we are the exclusive agent of G Lighting. Now it's called as Tangshan. It shows our credibility. CCOM, the representatives are here. Ligman, ATM, Touchlight, NLC, Solink USA, Carmena from Canada, Kotam, Galvanku, BEG Lighting Control System, Jimta, Simdag, and we are the authorized distributors of Zalex, Omega, Zelus, and Arcos Light. Now let me talk about our team. I can say anything, but I myself, I cannot achieve, or we cannot achieve all these things. It's a proper teamwork. Our team is working very, very hard. We are respecting each other. It's a proper teamwork. We are helping each other. We are complementing each other. Our team is extremely doing well. Friends, can I have a round of applause for my team? Thanks. This is for their toil day in and out. Now let me talk about approvals. Friends, we are approved in Saudi Arabia all the esteemed and reputed sectors. We are the approved vendor of Saudi Aramco, Saudi Electrical Company, Satrop, Satara, Royal Commission, Sabic, Yasraf. Friends, it is very, very difficult to obtain approvals from these authorities. The reason that because their pre-qualification process is so meticulous and they don't compromise at any given point of time. So these are not an easy achievements, and it shows again our credibility and reputation. And again, friends, we have been credited with an appreciation letter from Aramco. Why, guys, I'm highlighting about it. Okay, whenever we are dealing with a contractor, if you require an appreciation letter, then if in case there is no problem, you and the contractor, they will issue that appreciation letter. But here, it is not like that. Aramco, for their maintenance purpose, they buy from their authorized vendors. We do also supply. But for their projects, they normally don't deal with the suppliers. They will only deal with the contractors. If in case there is any problem for the delivery, whatever the delivery they said, they promised, if they are not complying, and that is hammering the project, Aramco will come in between and will tell them, better you comply, otherwise we are going to blacklist you. But here in this case, for this Christ project, they were in need of some explosion-proof fixtures, some cables very urgently. And they have checked all the approved sources, but they couldn't get it. And they have approached us also. And whatever the material they were in need, almost 50% material was available in our stock, and the balance we have supplied within 3 days. Thus, without asking, without our request, they issued this appreciation letter. Hence, it holds high regards, friends. Here in Bahrain also, we are approved in all major industrial sectors. EWA, everywhere, we are very well known here in Bahrain also. Arabian MEP exhibition. Friends, here MEP exhibition conducts Works Ministry. MEP exhibition being conducted under the patronage of Work Minister, Honorable His Excellency Issam bin Abdullah Khalaf. And since 2015, 3 times he paid a visit to our stall. Not just once, 3 times. He appreciated, he told us our stall is one of the best stall in the exhibition. Friends, I know that this is not a very big exhibition. I just told you, I highlighted because of his statement means a lot to us. Now, let me give you a brief about our group of companies. Ahmad Bai's Electrical Ahmad group of companies. We have 6 companies in Saudi Arabia for different activities with a manpower strength of 300% working. And Ascon Control WLL. Ascon Control WLL, we have the license here from the Bahrain Investment Center. And also in Saudi, we have the license from Sajia, Saudi Arabian General Investment Authority. We have a big factory in Jubail. Here also, the pictures will come later. Here also, we have taken a land in Alba, behind Alba, and 8,000 meters square, and we are going to construct, the construction is already started, going to construct our big factory. And We have executed many projects. Even, in Saudi, the project, one order worth 1 million dinar. In Bahrain, one order worth 650,000 BD. Why I am telling you about these values? For low voltage switchgears, this is a big value. You all are engineers. I'm sure that you are aware about it. So this is a big value and it shows our credibility. And JAG establishment. We have a grade 1 electrical contracting company and we can undertake any jobs, for unlimited loads. But JAG, we are keeping very low profile. We are not very aggressive for JAG. The reason I will tell you, when we become aggressive, the problem that we are going to be the competitors of you people. Then I'm sure that your consideration will change. So that is the reason we are keeping very low face, very low profile for JAG. But still, we are doing a job of $1 million dinar in a year, and our group turnover of Hamad Group, $55 million turnover last year we have completed. I'm talking about our group. And before that, 1 year before,
we did a turnover around 60 million.
And Brightstar, Ahmad by the Electrical, we are only working for the projects. But then we are the exclusive agents of many major brands. So we have to do the justification to them. So we have a company called Brightstar to take care of the retail market. This is our Ascon team. This is our Jubail factory. This is in Alba, 8,000 meters square. What I was talking about, new constructions on. Within 6 to 8 months, we will finish the work. They are the key persons of Ascon. And they are the key persons of Ascon Saudi Arabia, Janoob, and Brightstar. Now, let me talk about our lighting division. Our lighting division is headed by Surendran, who is an engineering graduate from Palakkad Engineering College, NSS Engineering College. It is a very famous and well-known college. And he himself is a designer. And we have another 3 designers and 3 other supporting staff. I'm talking about this staff, they are only for lighting. Similarly, we have, lighting division in Saudi Arabia, headed by Sandosh, and this is our team there. Now, let me talk about SECOM and Lickman. Their representatives are here, but let me say a few words about them. See, the lighting industry, the lighting business has completely booming, it's completely evolved and turned around 360 degree within this short span, within this 3 to 4 years time since LED invention. See, before, whenever we construct our home or building, houses, what we'll do? We just go to the market and without wasting any time, we'll just buy a few fixtures and we'll come and install. We'll tell our person to install. But nowadays, it is not like that. The type of fixtures, the level of illumination ambience is playing a prime and vital role to create an ambience in your lifestyle. The recent study says that, the illumination ambience is more important than music to elevate your moods, to elevate your energy levels. SECOM and Lickman, their representatives are here. Their products displayed here, few products. And they are going to talk about their specification compliance and their product advantages, etc. I just would like to place a request. These sessions will not take long time. The SECOM session will take 30 minutes and Lickman will take another 30 minutes. So I would request all of you not to leave the session on midway. And finally, about our community commitment, human development and social development. We are working towards to community commitment. See, whatever I say, wherever we have reached today, it wouldn't have been possible without the blessings of God and parents. So it's our moral responsibility to help the needy and destitutes. Whoever knows me here, they are aware about it. Whoever knows Ahmad by the electrical, they are aware about what we are doing for that. So I don't want to say more than that now about this topic. Now, you all are very busy, especially Thursday evening is for family. And many ministry persons and many of the senior persons, they are here just because of our healthy relation. Mr. Umar is going to travel tonight, but still he is here. Mr. Steve and many of the senior persons, they are here just because of our relation. And I would like to thank all of you for your time and coming here to attend this session. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to all. And just wait for CCOP and Lickman, their presentation. Thank you.